it's Donyea Nicole, and this is the Queens Club. And of course, as you can tell from the title, today is everything Halloween costumes. So you probably clicked on this video because you don't know what to wear this Halloween. And today on the Queens Club, we got you covered. We have everything from solo costumes, group costumes, to even bae costumes. I got you for all my couples out there. So sit back, stick to it, and by the end of this video, you will probably know what you want to be for this Halloween. Okay, let's jump right into it. I will be looking down frequently because I have all the costumes listed right here. I am going to forget a lot of costumes, but that's okay. I'm just here to get you started. Leave a comment below of what you decide from this video or what you pick outside of this video. We would love to hear and share with all the queens on the Queens Club. So first and foremost, you can be a sexy maid, okay? Who doesn't love to be a sexy maid? Of course, I love to be one. I don't think I've done a sexy maid yet, so honestly, that's a quick throw on the costume. Oh my gosh, I forgot there's a Halloween party. I got you covered. Halloween, bae me please. Let's do a sexy police officer. You could also be a sexy goddess, a sexy bedrock babe. Fashion Nova has this cute costume. I will leave a picture right here. You could be a galaxy girl, sexy cheerleader, a sexy stealth ninja. We've definitely seen that years past and it is not going anywhere. You could be a sexy nurse, and this could be solo with your girls or with your bae. You be a sexy doctor, he be the nurse, he be the patient, whatever you have, you can pull it off. Literally last minute call up your girl who is a nurse or yourself and get you a costume right without even going to the store or spending any money. You could be a sexy angel, devil, whatever you do, whatever you want. You could be both. You can have your partner, whatever you want. That one's always a go-to, definitely cute. You could be a sexy animal. Of course, that's like literally everybody's go-to last minute, but there are plenty more on the list. Let's keep going. You could be a schoolgirl. Yes. This one, again, it could be last minute if you forget to purchase your Halloween costume early. You could be Selena from Selena's. Anything for Selena. That one is so cute. If you have red hair or you could pull off a red wig, you could be Ariel or Poison Ivy. Poison Ivy, so cute, so sexy. I know there's a website out there that has a sexy Poison Ivy costume. I've seen so many people do it and they just pull it off. It is stunning. You could be a Victoria's Secret angel, and there are multiple ones you can choose from. Dress it up pajamas, Victoria's Secret angel, you could do a sexy lingerie Victoria's Secret angel, you could do swimwear sexy Victoria's Secret angel. There's so many ways you could play that one. That one definitely hit it on the nail every time. You could be a mummy, whether it's sexy or scary, whichever way you're feeling that day, you could definitely switch that up. You could be Holly from Breakfast at Tiffany's. That one's always a good go-to, and of course everybody always has a little black dress in the closet and some pearls. Definitely cute and will never go out of style. You could be Pennywise. You could be a fairy. You could do a TV costume theme. This year we're probably gonna see a lot of Euphoria. Oh, who doesn't love that show? Oh my gosh. And I cannot believe they're making us wait until like 2025, I think it is. If not, correct me in the comments below. You could play off the decades, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, whatever you want. You could never go wrong. Just don't forget to do your research. I will leave a few photos up on the screen. You could be Lola Bunny, Catwoman, Dora. Get you a little bob. Yes, we love it for the Dora the Explorer. You could be a Flintstone. You could be Ash from Pokemon. You could be Harley Quinn. You could be a sexy warrior. You could be Easy A, which is definitely easy. You could grab your corset from your closet, attach an A, and you are good to go, okay? A fan favorite, everybody loves Britney Spears, and there are multiple Britney Spears that you can pull off, but literally she's not going anywhere. That is like a fan favorite for Halloween. Definitely a go-to for last minute costume ideas. You could be Cleopatra. Ooh, love her. You could be Red Riding Hood. You could be a cute Tinkerbell. You could be an 80s workout instructor. Grab your leg warmers and you are hitting the door. There's your Halloween costume. Loving it. You could be Marilyn Monroe. You could be a sexy cowgirl. You could be an angel. And we definitely said this one above, but I forgot to highlight. You could be a sexy angel, black angel, or a classic angel. We love all three. You could be Velma or Daphne from Scooby-Doo. So cute, so classical. Love them. You could be Buzz Lightyear or Woody. There are two sexy ones on Fashion Nova. I will leave those on the screen. You could be Cupid. You could be the kid from It. You could be Cruella de Vil. You can bring your puppy. Dress it up. Play with it. Love it. All right, so time for the couples costumes. You could be Juno and Polly from Juno, of course. You could be Jasmine and Aladdin. That one's always so cute. Love it. You could be a Top Gun couple. That's really cute, and the movie just came out this year, so it's totally trending. You could be Tinkerbell and Peter Pan. You could be Hugh Hefner and the Playboy Bunny. You could be Ron and Kim Possible from, of course, Kim Possible. You could be Barbie and Ken, or just a Barbie doll. You could be Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Literally, if you and your significant other get invited to a last minute party, literally everybody has a dress, a black dress, and a tuxedo in the closet. Throw that on, go out the door, and you are Mr. and Mrs. Smith. So cute. Always a fan favorite. You could be Sonny and Cher. You could be Woody and Jesse. Super cute. Love that one. Oh, kiss your cowboy. All right, so group costumes. You could be Bratz dolls. Love the Bratz. Super cute. You could be the Powerpuff Girls. You could be Purge. You could be Destiny's Child. You three, the trio, y'all could step out. Destiny's Child, please don't sing if you can't. But that's okay. I know you're gonna look good. You could be Vampire Cops. You could be Mean Girls inspired costumes. That is also a fan favorite. Definitely a last minute. You definitely have all these pieces in your closet already. If you haven't thought about a costume and it's literally a last minute party, go ahead and throw on Mean Girls. It's Wednesday because we have to wear pink. Yes! You could be Care Bears. You could be go-go dancers. You could be spring breakers. And you could be Disney princesses. All right, queens, I hope one of these few Halloween costume ideas definitely sparked something in you. I can't wait to see what everybody is for Halloween. Honestly, I don't even know what I'm going to be yet, but I'm definitely going to choose from the list I just gave my beautiful queens on the Queens Club. Let me know, leave a comment below of what you choose. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you love what you see. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you get a notification every time I post a brand new video. I will see all my beautiful queens next week on the Queens Club. Bye, queens.